nearly, passed through the other line on this pandemic. Alam naman po natin yun eh. Wherein I don't stop going out, I don't stop serving the people, I don't stop serving the country. When I was the pambansang basurero. Na po. And now, there is this act that will divide the 301A2 because some officers cannot do their duties dahil nga naman sobrang laki daw ng distrito. Well, siguro naman, alamin muna natin kung gusto ba ng mga miyembro na mahati. Yung gusto, isama mo. No? Yung ayaw, iwan mo. Pero again, kami na mga naghirap na magtayo ng club, kami yung respetuhin mo. Kasi